to Disney this day, I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 2004, the Princess Diaries 2 Royal Engagement had its world premiere at the Disneyland Resort. It was held at AMC Downtown Disney. The premiere brought out stars from across Hollywood. Cast members Anne Hathaway, Julie Andrews, and Chris Pine, and director Garry Marshall, along with executive producer Whitney Houston, joined the celebration. Mickey, Minnie, and several Disney royal couples also brought their own sprinkle of magic. Hard to believe it's already been 20 years. Wonder if they're going to make another one. Anyway, have a magical day.